So you've started with some one-step problems, but the objective for today is two-step problems. So I have one here that we're going to walk through together before you start some on your own. So this problem reads, a chef needs to cook 9 potatoes. He has already cooked 7. If each potato takes 3 minutes to cook, how long will it take him to cook the rest? So for two-step problems, my favorite strategy that I think is the most beneficial is to break it up into 2 one-step problems. And so for our first break, right here, you can see what the problem is. So a chef needs to cook 9 potatoes and he's already cooked 7. So how many potatoes does he have? You have 9 minus 7 equals X. And so you can see that he has 2 potatoes left. And so with that answer, you're able to plug that in into the second one-step problem. So now you just treat it as an entirely new problem. So each potato, which you now know is 2, takes 3 minutes to cook, and you need to know how long it will take to cook the rest of these 2 potatoes. And so you have 2 potatoes, 3 minutes each, and so that'll be 6 minutes. So here, the first operation was subtraction, and the second was multiplication. So it's pretty easy if you break it up into the 2 spots, because then you just have the 2 parts, and you can put them together, and you get your answer. So for the next part, I have another problem, and it'll be through a screencast, so you can do it more independently, but I think you'll be able to do it based on this strategy. Okay, so this is problem number 2. You can take what you learned from the first problem, the strategy you learned, and use it for this one. The problem reads, a painter needed to paint 12 rooms in a building. Each room takes 3 hours to paint. If he already painted 4 rooms, how long will he take to paint the rest? And so the first step is kind of hidden in this one, so you need to find out how many rooms are left to paint. You start with 12, so you have the 12 rooms here, and then you know that you already have 4 rooms painted. So then again, you have the subtraction problem. So you have 12 minus 4 equals 8. You know that there's 8 rooms. And then the second step, again, like the first problem, is multiplication. So if you have those 8 rooms, it takes 3 hours to paint each of those. So you have 8 by 3 equals 24 hours. It's going to take them a whole day to paint the rooms. But you can use the same strategies, and you can see how it's applicable for this situation as well. For the next couple problems, you'll be doing them on your own, but you'll be using different operations. So you can apply the skills you used and figure out how to do those problems as well. Good luck.